Here's how that sounds with compression. And I added a phase invert so it can mix in with the next track. Okay, so the next track is a low EQ'd snare, and if we see the EQ settings here, see our lows are all the way low up. So if we play, and with compression, remember we added that phase inverse so it can mix in, and if we listen here, yeah, we have overhead bleed in, but really doesn't matter. You can barely hear it in the whole mix. So next is our toms. Let's pan this so we can get a good stereo image. So the EQ I did here, the toms are pretty tough because it depends how you tune them. Alright, and what I did is the low is high here, and the mid kind of like right there. Like I said before, every EQ on anything is different. Not everyone is the same. So the toms EQs are like low pitched, so you just have to experiment and see how it is. You see how it sounded there. It was alright. And then with the compression, it sounds better with compression because it's kind of like more volume. Okay, so next is our floor tom. Pan that all the way to the right. And then the EQ, as we see here, way different to the first time. Put our lows all the way up. See what I do here is I just guessed. It's like kind of like a puzzle. You just guess and get the sound you want. That's why I like working with editing video and music and audio and stuff like that. It's fun to puzzle. So yeah. So here's the sound of that. And with compression, okay. And what I did here on the stereo out is I added a multi-press, a multi-band channel thing, and you should put that first, because if you put it, because the multi-band goes first, because if you put it last then it clips, and I'll show you guys why. And as we see how it sounds with the whole mix. Without it, I don't know if you guys can hear it, there's not big of a difference though. But what I do is I raise the bass a little, I raise the mid kind of, the mid highs go up a little bit so the cymbals can have a sizzle, and the highs go up. And then what I do here is I add a limiter so it can have like volume, and what I do is I put the scale low, I put the gain, I put the ceiling at -2. You can see how it clipped, but if I put the limiter, it doesn't clip. And watch how it is. See, it stays at 2. And watch, if we do this, if we were to do this, put the limiter first and the compressor and the multi-thing second, watch, isn't it? See that clipping? So that's why we do that. You just have to play around and guess, you know, what you want to do. So that's how it sounds all together. Guys, this has been a tutorial of how to get okay drum sounds, I guess. So look forward for more tutorials. Give me some more tips on what you guys want. So thanks for watching. Have a nice week.